Good morning, everybody. So today is a kind of a sad day. It's our last day here in Lençóis, and I really like this place. And right now it's 7:40 a.m. and we have to catch a bus back to Salvador. Another 7 hours long bus. I'm gonna have a quick breakfast now. I think that's it. Hopefully we're gonna be back here someday, any day. But that's it for Lençóis.
Essa mochila pode subir? É pra Salvador, né?
Isso, ok.
Okay, so we just arrived finally in the bus station after 7 hours, and I'm starving. So nothing better than maybe Subway or McDonald's even. I don't know. And then after that, we're gonna have to take an Uber to the apartment, to the Airbnb, where we can finally relax and do some work.
Pode subir, eu deixei o boca aberta.
Ah, obrigado.
We made it! Yay! Finally made it in Salvador, and now we just need to rest and pack things and work and all of this kind of stuff. But the apartment here seems pretty nice, and check out this view. It's a rainy view, but a view nonetheless.